the necessity we use to nourish and fuel our bodies and carry us through our days. Despite the essential role food plays in life, many of us are disconnected from how food gets to the grocery store and ultimately on our tables. In truth, farms are responsible for filling the stomachs of billions of people in a responsible, sustainable way. The vast majority of farms in North America are family-owned and operated. Today's successful farms are implementing some of the latest technological and scientific innovations and utilizing sustainable practices for a better environment.
Sustainability is defined in many different ways by different people, depending on who you're talking to and what your perception of sustainability is. Our family's been growing food on the same land for 150 years. Our yields are increasing, the soil health is improving, and the nutritional value of the food we're producing is improving. So to me, that's the definition of sustainability. If you can continue to do that and continue to get better product and more of it off the same land.
Located in Plover, Wisconsin, on a 24-acre site, Food and Farm Exploration Center is an interactive destination for all, dedicated to educating visitors about food production, sustainability, and the agriculture industry. It's a place to connect with food and the people who grow it. Through engaging education, hands-on experiences, and delicious meals made on site, the center brings people of all ages together for unforgettable learning and lots of fun.
Our mission is to educate the general public and public officials and regulators about modern agriculture, about the sustainability efforts that are taking place, about the significant increase in efficiency in crop production, the much higher nutrient value that we have in foods today. We landed on Plover because of a very generous local farmer who donated the land to us, and this area had a lot of the support structure we felt we needed for a facility like this. We have restaurants that are within walking distances, hotels that are within walking distances, a very well-maintained park with a pond for fishing and all of the other things that complement this type of concept.
Through immersive, multi-sensory activities and exhibits, Food and Farm Exploration Center takes visitors behind the scenes of food production, from seed to table. With more than 60 exhibits, including demonstration fields, a greenhouse and seedlings area, and tractor simulators, guests of all ages can experience the world of modern farming firsthand. The center's goal is to educate current and future generations about agricultural innovation and sustainability, and to spark interest in the many career paths found in farming and food production.
Our exhibits are our main attraction here at the Food and Farm Exploration Center. We really tried to design it where all ages could learn something about the food that we eat every day. Even those little learners all the way through parents, grandparents, college students, everyone has something at a level that they can be interested in and hopefully learn something here. It's amazing how many kids love the grocery store. And it's one of those experiences that kids just feel comfortable with and they love it. But in our Ag STEM gallery, I believe our ag simulators are the most popular. We actually have real tractor cabs with custom footage filmed here in central Wisconsin that people can see the entire process that a tractor goes through or the crops go through. And people just absolutely love seeing it from all the angles and feeling like they're the ones driving a tractor and like being part of agriculture. Since opening, we have welcomed over 80,000 visitors to the center. In our first year alone, we had about 50,000 visitors, and this year we're on track to actually exceed that number, which is very exciting because our local community, the state, our nation, and we've even had international visitors to the center.
Whether you're exploring how irrigation works or pulling produce straight from the ground to see what it looks, feels, and tastes like, Food and Farm Exploration Center brings farming to life for visitors of all ages. Take a cooking class and discover how innovation drives sustainability on today's farms. It's hands-on, full sensory fun from seed to field to fork.
As an educator, I would recommend bringing students here because it is a lot of fun for the students. It's really engaging, has really good content. Getting to see all the different science behind everything, It's really interactive. They think it's a lot of fun doing those games and seeing the story of the potato from a seed all the way to getting to your plate, which reflects a lot of what they learn in the classroom as well, seeing that journey of food growing out in the field and getting to their plate at home. Students don't even realize that they're really learning, which is kind of a bonus. They aren't going to sit there and complain this is boring because they're too busy playing those games. I recommend bringing students to Food and Farm Exploration Center because it's a central location in Wisconsin, so it's easy access for a lot of places nearby. I'm an agriculture teacher and FFA advisor, so I'm traveling with students all the time. So this is a nice, easy, close-by option to swing by and stop in and really get to go and explore.
The work that Food and Farm Exploration Center is doing to bring awareness to where our food comes from, as well as the careers that are in this industry, is such a need, and we so appreciate the partnership at Mid-State Technical College with Food and Farm Exploration Center.
It's really a perfect place that everybody, if you're age 2 through 92, when you come here and you are in our interactive exhibits and just experiencing it, everybody gets the chance to take some learning opportunity away from that. You're really just kind of learning through doing instead of being spoken to, and I think that's a really beautiful thing.
Gain a new perspective on the food you eat and those responsible for growing it. Learn more today about Food and Farm Exploration Center. Visit, play, learn, explore. For more information, visit explorefoodandfarm.org or call 715-303-FARM.